to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we are going to be unboxing 3 different types of bows. One is for a violin.
And this one's for a viola, and this one's for a cello. Like
Cello.
that.
Okay, so the first one we're going to unbox is, let me see here, what is this?
This is a violin.
This is a 1/4 violin carbon fiber bow. So Charlotte is going to open it for me. Can you open it for me, please?
Well,
Don't touch the hair. So this is the, oops, sorry. This is the 1/4 cello, 1/4 violin bow, and it's a carbon fiber, and the brand is called Vingo bow. So as you can see, she's opening right now the 1/4 size violin. This is made of horsehair, black horsehair, and this part is made of carbon fiber. So it is really light, which I like, which is good for little kids. And this is an extra bow that I got for my child's violin. Brand new, and the violin is new. So let's see here. Charlotte, can you try sounding at the violin? It's not going to sound really good because we're just starting. So we probably have to rosin the bow a little bit more. So the next one we're going to unbox
is a viola one.
The viola bow, and this is a full size 4/4. Okay, can you put the bow back in the box, please?
Yes.
It came with a really nice, sturdy container, which I really like. And now let's proceed with the viola bow. So here is the second bow. It's the same brand. It's Vingo bow, and
but it's a little bigger.
We haven't opened it yet. It's a 4/4 carbon fiber bow for viola, and we have to rosin it for it to sound. So let's open it.
Here we go.
So here is the bow. Open it first.
Oh, here, let me get some rosin out.
This one is pretty decent weight, and as you can see, the tag says 100 MB. As you can see, very good.
Oops.
You can see we need to tighten this because it's touching this part, the carbon fiber part. Now I'm gonna tighten the bow. As you can see, it's still pretty. I'm gonna tighten it until there's only a slight curve. Okay, that's good. And now we're gonna rosin it.
Yeah.
So
we're gonna use the good.
Rosin your bow.
We're using this right in.
Hold your bow here so it does
so
the rosin.
It doesn't rub on the metal.
Let's see. So here's my rosin. You need to like make some scratches on it so it will stick, and hold it like this, and let's do it like 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a lot because it's a new bow. And go to the very end and do the very end the same. Do it a couple times, probably like 20 times or more. I have rosin it multiple times, and let's see if it's gonna sound
on this viola.
Let's try it on if it's gonna make a sound. I'm trying to teach my daughter how to hold the bow properly, so try to put it in your neck and your chin so it sounds. So it doesn't sound yet because it's not rosin enough.
Not enough rosin. Yeah.
So that's for the second carbon fiber bow.
Man, and then we're gonna do the biggest.
The biggest one.
It's so big.
My 4/4 cello bow. So let's open it up.
Oh yeah, here.
It comes in the biggest tube. It's wider tube.
Yeah, because
Here's the bow. It looks identical to the viola bow, but it's just a little bit heavier.
Yeah, let's open. Got it?
Okay.
No, it's stuck.
As you can see, the tag, it says 100 CB, which is a cello bow, and it's made of carbon fiber. And what does it say here?
And then we gotta put some carbon on it.
Okay.
And this is
We're
the
gonna-
cello. That
we're
thing's
gonna-
huge.
Rosin it.
Let's get over here,
I'm gonna tighten this bow
and then we gotta put some
just right until
of this.
you just see a slight curve. Just a little bit tight. Okay. And I'm gonna use seen on videos that you need to get a good quality rosin. So this is called Pirastro, which is one of the good brands. So we're gonna rosin this cello bow, and this is a full-size cello bow. And like the viola, you're supposed to put your fingers there so it doesn't break the rosin. So I'm gonna do it multiple times in the end.
Actually cracked mine.
Do it sideways.
Oh yeah.
And then go over the
That did crack.
bow. Okay, so here is an example of the bow that I rosined multiple times. So it's still barely making any sound, but I need to rosin it some more. See, it's barely making any sound. Okay, so that is our unboxing for this 3 different string bows. I hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry for the mess in my bed. These are all accessories for the instrument. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.